Before connecting AAI to AutoSys, we recommend creating a read-only account within the AutoSys database. If you are using Oracle as your AutoSys database management system, then synonyms will also be required for this new read-only account. Oracle examples for user creation and the addition of synonyms are provided here. This is the list of AutoSys tables that the user will require read access to. In this demonstration, I am using Oracle. First, create the user. Please note that throughout this video some system details will be obfuscated. Then, once the user has been created, create the synonyms. A synonym is required for each AutoSys database table in the list specified earlier. To add the AutoSys scheduler, first visit the Admin tab within AAI. Click on Schedulers and then on the Add icon. First, give the scheduler a name. Enter the primary connection details for the database. If you are running AutoSys in a high availability configuration, enter the secondary connection details here. An AutoSys API connection can be specified. Use the AutoSys application server name and the application server port. To use this, an AutoSys client is required on the AAI server. To add history, you can copy the AutoSys DB maint archives to a location that is accessible by the AAI user. These archives can be imported during the scheduler addition process. Security and prediction models can be set here as well. Once you are happy with the database connection settings, test the connection and then add the scheduler. The AAI conversion log can give some great insights into your AutoSys environment. This can highlight things such as missing job dependencies. Check the AAI log on the machine. You will see objects being saved to the AAI database. If you have provided archive files, you will see messages in the log that are related to their processing. The addition of the AutoSys scheduler is now complete. Thanks for watching.